जब हो जाता है तो बात तो निकलती नहीं है। और शीला जी खास दिल्ली से अगर यहाँ आई हैं आपसे मिलने, हमारे बारे में कुछ कहने, तो हम बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हैं। ये पहला मौका है इनसे मिलने का, क्योंकि मैं तो दिल्ली जाता नहीं हूँ। दिल्ली में ज़्यादा पॉलिटिक्स है और हम फिल्में बनाने वाले लोग हैं। कभी कभार इत्तेफाक होता है, लेकिन आज इनका आना जैसे ऐसे लगा कि प्यार उमड़ आया है। आप सब यहाँ आए हैं, उसका बहुत बहुत मैं उसका शुक्रगुजार हूँ। मैं कभी नहीं चाहता था कि नव के दिन के 40 साल इस तरह मनाए जाएं, जब 35 साल मनाए जाएं या 45 साल मनाए जाएं। अगर आपकी इच्छा है, लोगों की इच्छा है, तो भी मैं लोगों के साथ हूँ। मैं लोगों के लिए काम करता हूँ, उनके लिए फिल्में बनाता हूँ। अगर उनकी इच्छा है तो मैं भी स्वीकार करता हूँ। आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि आप इस तरह यहाँ आए हैं। थैंक यू। हम कई लोग ये कहते हैं कि भाई तुम देव ऐसा करो कि हमें उस फिल्म का डायलॉग सुनाओ, उस फिल्म का गाना सुनाओ। सन 50 में आपने बनाई थी, सन 60s में बनाई थी, 70s में बनाई थी, 80s में बनाई थी। और यकीन मानिए, मैं हमेशा उनसे कहता हूँ मैं भूल गया हूँ। दुनिया याद रखती है लेकिन मुझे याद नहीं है, क्योंकि I'm so much involved with what is happening with the present all the time. And that probably explains why I am what I am. Once a movie is finished, and I've done it to my complete satisfaction, I forget about it. I've got to forget about it. If I don't forget about it, I can't make the next one. Whether the movie is a hit or a flop, I don't care, because movie, when it's made and seen by people, is a hit. Movie, when it comes out of a certain conviction and is liked by the people, is a hit. It's besides the point what revenue it brings to the box office. But that movie is remembered after 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. I remember when the Guide was made, Guide was considered a flop. Bulsh and I will bear with me. People said, Guide will not run because Dev has become a sadhu and Dev is dying in the film. We want him to be alive. And we had sleepless nights because people told us day after day and night after night that I'm meeting with a disaster. I've lost about 80 lakh rupees in one motion picture. We were quiet. And today, after 25 years, people say, Guide was a milestone. He's a milestone. How do you answer that? So some pictures have to stay in this country for the future generations to see.
Wait a minute.
If I can succeed in making films after films after films after films with certain thoughts that trigger off in my mind, and I'm pleased with myself when I make them, that film is a hit because it will stay. So I'm on, and I shall be on as long as my creative faculty is alive. And I think it will be alive because I'm a thinking person and we are alert, we are aware of what's happening in the world, and movies are made out of certain thoughts that happen in the world. I'm very happy to have met you, to be face to face with you. There's a lot of things I want to say. A lot of things. Some people say they should not act anymore. Some journalists say so. Fine, everybody can say everything in democracy. People have a right. But when you are growing, when you are maturing, all the more reason you should act. Because you get better and better and better and better. Some people say they should not do a love scene. And I say, why not? Can't an old man fall in love? Can't you make a story with a mature man and a young girl and a young boy? Doesn't happen in life. Besides the point that it's taboo in our country, but our country is marching forward. With 1991, 92, 93 is going to be modernized. The moment this country is modernized, this country will be super. Get out of this so-called cultural values. The so-called cultural values is taking the country backwards. That's where the fundamentalism lies. We should have a three-language formula in this country. We should speak the local language, the regional language. We should have the national language, Hindi as the national language, and we should also compulsorily teach every kid English, because English is an international language. It will keep you shoulder to shoulder with the world, and that's what's required in this country. Mark my words, they're very prophetic. All the government that will come in this country, whether it's the Congress side or Janata Dal or whatever, they must have a few codes of legislation which must be must for every state. And one of them should be a three-language formula. Don't get rid of English, please. Don't get rid of English, because at the moment everybody in this country becomes modern, speaks English, you'll march with the world, mark my words. If you only speak the regional language, you'll remain a regional man. You want to remain a regional person? No, I'm sure not. Look what's happening in Russia, in the Soviet Union, in Europe. Look what's happening in this country. Every state wants to be independent. Punjab wants to go somewhere else. Kashmir wants to go somewhere else. Something is happening in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Something is happening in Assam. Because they are all regional people, that's why it's happening. Something's wrong with the politics. So I say, let's be broad-minded. Let's have a strong vision. I'm saying so because Sheila Kaulji is here. And she represents us. And she represents the government that's within the country. And I want a government that has this broad, strong, great vision for this country. And the country should be one. Thank you.
भाइयों बहनों, अब मैं आदरणीय श्रीमती शीला कौल जी से गुजारिश करूंगी कि अपने हाथों से इस जबरदस्त फनकार को अवार्ड पेश करें। ट्रॉफी शीला जी के हाथों, और साथ ही साथ आदरणीय मिनिस्टर साहब और गोयनका जी से भी गुजारिश करूंगी कि वो यहाँ आए और इस और साथ ही साथ भाइयों और बहनों, सहयोग फाउंडेशन की तरफ से इन्हें क्राउन पेश किया जा रहा है। मैं चाहूंगी कि मिनिस्टर साहब और विवेक साहब अपने हाथों से ये ताज देव साहब के सर पर